to be able to help more clients, help them with more products, and at the end of the day, just be more profitable. And so the purpose of this webinar today is to elaborate a little bit of the topic that we were discussing last week, and that's how to incorporate additional services in your business. Now, the hardest thing initially is going to be, well, how do I start? What do I do? I don't understand the products. I don't understand life insurance. I don't understand retirement. I don't understand health insurance. I don't understand Medicare. I don't know how any of these products work. And that's the same struggle that everybody has when they just start up a new source of services or businesses or whatever the case may be. It's just the questions that you have, the initial questions. And so here at Freedom Insurance and Freedom Financial, we have directors in every department. So I'm the director of life insurance and financial services. We have Karen Martinez, Karen Perez. She's our director for Medicare. And then we have George Nino. He's our director for property and casualty, which is our home insurance and our car insurance. So our roles and what we do is we help you facilitate closing business and helping clients. So I talk to franchisees all the time, and I get this response very frequently, and they say, well, let's talk after tax season, right? They said that last tax season, and they said that the tax season before that, and they also said that the tax season before that. So I'm here to tell you that, unfortunately, because you are a business owner and you are a small business owner, there's never going to be the perfect opportunity for you to say, hey, man, we really need to incorporate these products in our store. There's never going to be the right time. You might think that after tax season is the right time, but you'll find that after tax season, you'll get hit with another wave of things that you have to do. And then you'll get hit with another wave of things that you have to do. And then you take a little vacation. And then you come back to find out, hey, tax season is right around the corner all over again. So there's no better time than the present for you to say, you know what, we really, really need to get this going. Because I would like for you to ask yourself this question. And the question is, are taxes, or is the tax business as profitable now as it was when you were first started? For a lot of you guys, it may be. For a lot of you guys, it may be even more profitable. For some of you guys, that may not be the case. For some of you guys, you may have been real profitable at one point, and now you're like, man, I'm barely surviving. And so that's where bringing more value and bringing more products to your clients is really essential in the success of your business and your own personal financial success. Like, for example, life insurance. The commissions on life insurance are very generous. The commission on retirements are very generous. And it just adds a whole new stream of revenue that it's either going to help you offset costs or the cost of your business, or it's just going to, I don't know, just make you a little bit of extra money. And maybe right now at the end of the year, your tax business is paying all the bills, and maybe you have like $30,000 or $40,000 left over. Well, maybe life insurance and retirement will give you an extra $20,000 at the end of the year. So at least you took home $60,000 as opposed to 40. And so my role is to walk you through step by step. Now, we do have a lot of franchisees that say, man, I just don't have the time. And that's fine. If you don't have the time, then at the bare minimum, solicit the business. Maybe get 2 or 3 pieces of marketing material, put them in your stores. Whoever asks about the product, you say, we're going to have one of our reps call you. You can say one of our reps from central office, or one of our reps from the main company, whatever it is that you want to tell them. And then we will call the client and we will close the business, and then we will get you compensated for that business. Because they're going to go and close that business somewhere else. They're going to close that business with an Allstate or with the State Farm or with a New York Life. They're going to move that 401k to an Edward Jones or a Merrill Lynch. So why not take that business? Why not allow yourself the opportunity to keep that business in-house and to make money, make commission off of that business, and create a more loyal client? The more products the client has with you as an individual or as an entity, the longer they're going to stick around, and the more the likelihood that they're going to bring you referrals that you can then convert into tax clients. So it's just a never-ending cycle. It's a never-ending cycle that's ultimately going to make your business better. Why? Because we go back to the original case in point that taxes, I firmly believe, are no longer enough. We live in the age of technology, we live in the age of information, and because of that, things are getting just so much easier for people to do on their own. So a lot of the times people just say, well, I'm just going to watch a couple of YouTube videos and I'm just going to take care of my taxes on my own. Let me order this TurboTax or whatever, and let me get that done. More and more people are doing that. But if they have their retirement with you and they have their finances and their life insurance and just multiple products, then at the end of the day, they're going to say, well, you know what, man, just take care of the taxes, and because if you've already made $2,000 or $3,000 in revenue off of all of the other services that you've set them up with, you can give them a little bit of a discount on the taxes, and just make sure that they continue to come every year, every year, every year, and make sure that they continue to bring friends. It's just smart business. It's smart business. The more products you have to offer your clients, the more profitable you're going to be. There's a reason why Walmart is so profitable, and that's because they have pretty much something for everybody. If you, I don't know, you need paint, if you need groceries, if you need toys or whatever it is that you need, you walk into a Walmart, you're going to be able to find it. But what if Walmart only set up one product, or they only sold one product? It probably wouldn't be very likely that you'd stop by there at least once a week, or a Walmart or a Sam's Club, or whatever major retail stores in your area. So it's got to be the same thing with your business model, with your office, with the services that you offer. Do not say I'm going to wait until after tax season to get this done, because I'm going to tell you that's just going to prolong you never getting it done. There's no better time than the present. You are getting into the months where there's going to be so many people walking into your office. Why not put a little bit of marketing material up, maybe 2 or 3 pieces of marketing material up on the walls, and whatever questions they have, just refer them into us. We'll help you close the business and we'll help you get paid, and then the process, you're going to see how everything works. And then the process, we can start teaching you how to do the business so that eventually you can do it on your own. So that's pretty much my 2 cents for today, ladies and gentlemen. Like I did say, this always gets recorded. It always gets sent out. So if you have any questions on today's webinar, by all means, let me know. You can always reach out to me directly, 956-245-8526. That's my personal cell phone number. If you call me, most of the time I won't answer. So text message or email is always the best way to go. Email is Raul, RAUL, at freedompolicy.com. And once again, I just would like to highly encourage you to start thinking about incorporating additional products into your stores, additional products into your business model, additional products into your office. It's it's really the way that you're going to be able to take your business to the next level, ladies and gentlemen. So I hope that you found this helpful. If you're just joining in, we're just wrapping up, and I'm sorry about that. But we always do this at 9:30, and we always record it just so that you can listen to it. The recording will be going out to you here within the day. So please let me know if you guys have any questions. And thank you so much for joining us today. You guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Thank you.